Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Vanguard Roth IRA account, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Vanguard website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Vanguard homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to a new page asking for your credentials. In the first field, enter your Vanguard username. Next, move to the password field. Type in your Vanguard password carefully. Double-check your entries for any mistakes. If you are using a private device, you may opt to check the Remember Me box. This will save your login information for future access. Once you have entered your information, click on the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Vanguard account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, click on the respective links provided. Follow the prompts to reset your information securely. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Need Help option. This will guide you through troubleshooting common problems. Once logged in, ensure you log out when you're finished, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.